Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a super easy French cleat system to store your yard tools. Here's how I did it. At the beginning of each video, I like to share a Bible verse, and today's verse is from Ephesians chapter 2. I hope that you find it encouraging. I started off the project by marking my studs and taking some measurements. So like every disorganized woodworker, I couldn't find a piece of paper. So I wrote all my measurements on some scrap sheetrock. Now it's time to start cutting. I used the table saw to rip the plywood down into 9-inch strips. I then cut those in half at a 45-degree angle to make my cleat for the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the spots to pre-drill and then go ahead and drill those with my countersink bits, and then I'll get them mounted up on the wall. My wife helped me get everything level, and then I used the 2.5-inch wood screws to secure my cleats into the studs. For each row, I used my stud finder just to make sure that everything was lined up correctly. Alright, so as you can see, we got the wall up. So these are the French cleats, and the way this works is it's gonna have another 45-degree angle piece that pretty much slides in here, and that's gonna hold it firm against the wall. And so that's how the system works. So now I'm gonna make some of those pieces to hold the tool. For each tool holder, I used my countersink bit to pre-drill holes and then used 1.25-inch wood screws to secure the two pieces of plywood together. So I'm making great progress on the hangers, but my wife pointed out a critical mistake that I made that I didn't even notice. And so you see here, I have two different kind of designs. One here where this front section is not overlapping what's connected to the wall, and another one where it is. Now I want you guys to watch the difference in strength here. When I pull this one, you could see how it actually separates from the wall there, versus this one stays rock solid. Now watch what happens when I put the shovel on here. I mean, this one just pulls a whole lot, slides forward. This one doesn't move a bit. So make sure you don't make that same mistake. Here it is, the final product. Now I finally got all my yard tools stored on the wall, and the best part is, if I want to rearrange things, all I have to do is slide the pieces over. So now it's time for the cost breakdown. First, I had a 3/4 inch sheet of plywood that was $50. I used about half. 2.5 inch wood screws for $10.97. 1.25 wood screws for $10.97. And 2 packs of hooks from Home Depot for $9.98 each. So that brings our total cost to $91.90. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a like and also subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot of other great garage organization projects coming soon that you definitely don't want to miss. And if you're interested in building one of these projects for your own garage or workshop or whatever, make sure to check out the link in the description, and it'll take you to my website. It'll give you a breakdown of all the tools that I used, all the materials that you'll need, as well as a step-by-step process of everything that I did, so you can make this on your own. So I'll see you guys in the next video.